Assalamu alaikum class, chapter number 8, and today we will understand identification of origin and coordinate axes. So that's why the first point is the horizontal line x o x prime is called the x axis because horizontal line, so that's why it is the x axis. So if you will see from left to right, right to left, then firstly x is coming, then o is coming in center, then x prime is coming. Though first hand is known as x because it is so right from o, so that's why it will be positive. So which part is left from the o, so it will be negative, mean all numbers will come in negative sign. So that's why it is known as horizontal line x axis. So as you looking here, arrow, so I have drawn. So because the line is continue to left and right with both sides till infinity, so I took part of this line which I need. So second point is the vertical line y o y prime is called the y axis. When you will see from up to down, then firstly y is coming, then then o is coming, and then y prime. So when you will when these two lines meet perpendicularly, mutually perpendicular to each other's, then these lines will make the quadrants, four quadrants, and the point where these two lines meet to each other will be known as origin. So the point number 3, the point O where the x-axis and y-axis meet is called the origin, and it is denoted by 0 0 because the order pair at the center of the at the center will be 0 0, because at the center will be 0 0, and up to the center will be y-axis, and all the values of y-axis will be positive, and and down from the center will be y prime. So all the values of the y on the y-axis will be negative, and the right hand side of the center will be x positive. So all the values of x will be positive, and the left hand side of the o, mean of the origin will be y negative, mean x prime. So all the values of x will be negative of the left hand side. So we have noted that each point in the plane either lies on the axis of the coordinate plane or in any one of quadrants of the plane, namely xy. First quadrant, when you will go from anti-clockwise, you will start from the positive x-axis. So firstly x, then o, then y. Now y, and second quadrant y o x prime, and third quadrant x prime o then y prime, and fourth quadrant will be y prime o and x. Is called the quadrants of the plane. So if you have any confusion, you can ask from me. Inshallah I will tell you, and subscribe our channel.